Low income? You can still save money. Here's how.
Rule number 1, pay yourself first. When you get paid, it's tempting to spend it all.
Number 2, cook at home. Making your own meals can save hundreds every month. Number 3, buy only what you need. Wait 24 hours before buying non-essential items. Number 4, cancel unused subscriptions. Stop paying for apps and services you rarely use. Number 5, use cash for daily spending. A cash budget helps you avoid overspending.
Set a tiny savings goal. Set a tiny savings goal. Even $50 to $100 is a great start.
Small savings every day become the wealth in the future. Start today. Subscribe for more.